Hi, Alexander here from CryptoCoin Express. Hey guys, I got a question to ask to you. Would that be cool if you have a tool or a platform that really helps you trade without hassle and stress? Especially on cryptocurrency market which fluctuates really hard and crazy, me personally will need a platform to trade and reduce the stress of a fail analysis which can also makes me lose confidence. And there is a solution to it, which called copy trading. So what is copy trading? It is actually a platform which allows you to copy someone else's trades, which can really be beneficial if you are not really experienced doing analysis but at least knows the basic of it. There will be pro traders that can be followed through which can really beneficial. The basic goal is to find another investor with a proven track record, and begin copying their trades. Their success may continue and you will be on the winning side of things, but if trades do not go in their favor then you will also be copying their losses. I am currently using Bitget copy trading platform, which has been tested by me myself as the best. For the profit share wise to the traders and selection of traders to follow, Bitget has the most option for you to choose. Earning good profit with Bitget copy trading is pretty easy as so many coins can be traded, with many token options. Opportunity to get good setup is bigger for the traders you are following. But why specifically trusting Bitget exchange for this program? Pretty simple, they are transparent to users with protection fund revealed and the proof reserves is publicly available. Bitget is also frequently doing events for copy trading with lot of bonuses that can be beneficial for yourself and all users, simple as that. Alright, let's get back to Bitget copy trading platform then. Let's say you wanted to do spot copy trading instead of futures, is there an option? There is an option for this. Basically Bitget has three options for it: spot, futures, and bot copy trading. Spot is basically buying crypto assets that the traders desire to buy and also sell at any time, so you are buying assets they wish to hold. And for futures, you are following daily or scalp trade they are doing, copying most of their open positions and closed positions. And lastly for bot copy trading, you are subscribing to bot which can do spot and futures trade and let AI of the robot do your trades. Basically that explains it all. But in order for you to use Bitget copy trading properly, you must know some secret strategy and also tips which I will reveal in the next video. Stay tuned for the next video and do not forget to subscribe our channel first for the updates. Alexander signing out.